Here we have Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 1.6 litre TDI SE 115 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is looking great and it has the spec to match. It has adaptive cruise control with front assist, radar sensor controlled distance monitoring, a city emergency brake, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, lane assist, and these 17-inch Kulmbach alloy wheels. The boot's huge and it has a spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a multi-device interface and a composition media system. Now for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.